Tumbleweeds, I am back in quartzite, and I thought you might want to know how I recently have been able to save $165 a month. I added something to my van, and I'm going to show you what it is. Just 1 minute. So, when I did van life before, there was no such thing as Starlink. And what we used was a WeBoost. And let me show you what that looks like. So that antenna on top of the van is a WeBoost Drive RV2. Is supposed to increase your cell phone signal by 32 times. And when I was staying at the RV park, without the WeBoost, I only got LTE. I got 3 bars of LTE. But when I turned the WeBoost on, it jumped up to 3 bars of 5G ultra-wide. So that's good because my cell phone service with the Visible by Verizon has unlimited hotspot when you're using 5G ultra-wide. So I was able to not use my Starlink at all while I was at the RV park. There's Chia coming to see what I'm up to. So I still need to find somebody to help me drill a hole on top of the van to weave that cable down through there, so that it's not going through the door. But let me show you the other parts. The other parts that come with the WeBoost. We have, this is the interior antenna, and that's what my cell phone reads off of. And I have the cord running along the underneath the counter here. And then we have the, I don't know what this thing is called, but it's the part that plugs into the power. And so if I have a green light, that means that I have a good signal between the outside antenna and the inside antenna. If it's yellow, it means likely that your inside antenna is too close to the outside antenna. And if it's flashing yellow and green, it's sort of too close to the outside antenna. So I've had, it's green the way I have it now, so it's working fine. I just ran the cable down through the door, and it kind of goes underneath my bed and along the wall there. And so far it's been working really well. So, obviously, I don't get, if you know, in quartzite, you know that they don't have ultra-wide here. But my service will let me do unlimited data with any service, but I have to do it on my phone, so I can't use hotspot. So I bought this little connector that lets me connect my phone to my television using a HDMI cable. And so I'm able to play movies and watch YouTube on the television through my phone. Now, I still use my hotspot a little bit when I'm doing stuff that doesn't involve streaming, like reading email, or I could do a little bit of Facebook if I don't watch any of the videos there. So, yeah, it's pretty quiet here. There's not a whole lot of people out here on this end. I'm back at Dome Rock again, in case you're wondering. So I'll be here for a few days, and then I'm going back to an RV park in Yuma for a couple of weeks. But I came here specifically because I have an interview with Autumn. I can't remember Autumn's last name, but she's a reporter that works for Bob Wells' Cheap RV Living, and she's going to do a van tour and interview me. So I don't know if it will be published. You never know, or when it might be published, but I'll let you know. Or you can just watch Cheap RV Living and see if it ever shows up. I've heard that it can take up to a year for some of the videos to appear, because I guess they have so many videos backlogged. So I don't know. It could be quick, or it could take months. So I hope I get on there, because I love to show off Daisy. You know that. Okay, well, this is a very short video. Okay, well, I hope everyone's doing well and being like a tumbleweed. Catch you later.